Hi, welcome and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I'll be making the trending Christmas tree balls. Now for that purpose, I'll be using these plain gold balls. First thing, I'll be removing the hangers. I'll be reusing this packing foam, and I've inserted some skewers. So after I've painted the balls, I can just lay them on these skewers to dry. These are the balls, but I'll only be using the gold ones, the plain gold ones. I'll be using some Mod Podge, white acrylic paint, gold acrylic paint for this purpose. I'll also be using some baking soda. So we're gonna now get started on the project. Okay, we are now ready to start to paint the balls. But before I started to do the painting, let me show you I've received some products from Totally Dazzled. I have this free apron. You can check their website. It's now for free. I'll have the link in the description box for you. They've also sent me some of their new Christmas gems, which I'll also be using to decorate some of these Christmas balls. Let me show you what they look like, and I'll also have the link below so you can check them out. There's a Christmas tree, and this is a Christmas tree on the car. This is Frosty, the snowman. And these are bells. They're gorgeous. This one is Santa's hat. We have a stocking. Beautiful snowflake. Here we have Santa. Here we have Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. And here we have a sign that says joy. It's beautiful. I hope you check out the site. They are currently having their Black Friday sale. I'll have the link in the description box below. This gold paint is a different shade of gold to the original color of the ball. I think I have to put 2 coats of paint on each of these balls, as the paint is very light. So I'll be back once these have dried, and we'll move on to the next step. The balls have now been dried, so we'll move on to the next step, where we'll be applying the baking soda onto the balls. Now we'll be using some of this Mod Podge, it's the gloss luster. Okay, this is what we have. It does look like velvet.